Hey everybody, it's Dan with Pain For You. So today's topic is going to be my body makes noises, so the pain must be something physical, right? And I got a message from somebody I've interacted with a little bit from this Pain For You group, and she posed a really interesting and common question, which is, I have some popping noises in my back sometimes, or my hip, and sometimes it's relieving of the pain, other times it hurts, and so it really has her questioning whether or not the pain is from a physical cause. And my response to her is that the body will make noises, right? And so, a couple examples. If physical noises meant there was damage or you are causing damage, nobody would ever go to the chiropractor because they pop things all the time. I can personally, when I stretch my leg a certain way, I can get a little popping noise below my right knee. And if I tip to the right, I don't know if you could hear that, but I can pop my right hip. As a matter of fact, if I roll my head, you can't hear it, I'm sure. I hear it mostly inside, but it sounds like Rice Krispies are popping. The body makes noise. Noise doesn't mean damage. I can crack my knuckles all day long, and that doesn't mean that my knuckles previously had damage and therefore me cracking it is proof of the damage, right? None of that noise thing makes sense. My girlfriend would walk, and every time she would take a step, her ankle would click, click, click. She doesn't even notice it because it doesn't hurt her. So noises really don't mean anything. And if that is causing you to sit on the fence as to whether or not it's TMS or not, please get off the fence, because noises don't mean anything. Now, why would the noises happen sometimes, especially while she's got some back pain going on? Well, again, remember, TMS definitely causes muscles to go into spasm sometimes. And when a muscle is in spasm, it can kind of pull things a little bit out of whack, which means it may be more inclined to pop. But the popping certainly doesn't mean there's damage. It just means things are a little bit out of alignment, and, a little pop is there. And that's exactly what chiropractors do. They try to realign things by popping things back into place. And I'm not a big fan of that whole methodology. Some people swear by it. Some people say it's useless. I think for TMS sufferers, it hasn't proven successful, and I went to chiropractors for a lot of time, many times, spent thousands over the 13 years, and really never got better. I mean, I would come out of there feeling better, walking a little bit straighter, but then an hour later, I was back to where I was. It's not a cure. So, popping noises, crackling in my neck, doesn't mean anything. You're not broken. The body will make noises sometimes when we're in pain, sometimes when we're not. I don't believe there's any indication that noise equals damage, therefore it's physical. It is not. So try not to worry about it. I find my noises kind of funny. So let me know what you guys think. There's not a lot more I can say on this topic. It's a pretty short one. So please let me know what you think. Comment below. Does your body make noise? Mine does. I don't care. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. Love you, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.